Satnam. My name is Sophia. Welcome to this YouTube channel where I share the delicious and beautiful practice of Kundalini Yoga. And this video is to invite you to join us for a 40-day challenge. I've done a few of those in the past, streaming live on Facebook. I'm gonna try to change it up a little bit and wanted to invite you to join us for this 40-day challenge where it will be a meditation practice for about 25 minutes or so. Total running time of the practice would not exceed more than 30 minutes. I will post the tutorial video separately, so when the meditation challenge starts, we jump right into it, straight to the practice. So a couple of things I wanted to inform you in this video is we have a dry rehearsal. I like to call it like a running start on August 22nd. It will be a Friday, the eve before the new moon, and our day one will begin on Saturday, August 23rd. The meditation challenge will run for 40 days, customary to our yoga tradition. It takes 40 days to build a habit. So we're going to honor that tradition and keep it for 40 days. It will run, I will stream it live to the best of my ability between the hours of 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and 3 p.m. So somewhere within that time frame. The live stream will also be recorded and shared on a platform that I use. And so if you can't be there live, you're more than welcome to watch the recording of it at the time that's convenient for you. There are different options available. There is a free version of this challenge which you could utilize the tutorial video that I will post on YouTube, and you could replay the same video every day for 40 days. As an invested member of the challenge, it's $40 for 40 days. It's to keep you motivated, it's to invest in so you could really stay committed to the best of our ability. And the added benefits for the subscribed member would be daily inspirations, reminders, opportunity to check in. We'll be creating a WhatsApp group for those participants, and your daily check-in will be in whatever way motivates you or works for you. Or maybe you'll say day 7 done, or whatever day you're on. We will have mile markers, day 11, day 22, and so on. There will be daily teachings, short little inspirations or affirmations from me to keep the practice going. And this meditation challenge will carry us through the equinox season and the eclipse season. So the practice will allow us to stay grounded as things begin to shift and change. When we engage in a daily practice of meditation, we definitely have a lot of opportunities to reflect, to journal, and of course you're invited to do that. If at any point you feel inspired to share your aha moments, epiphanies, or insights, you could freely do so if you choose the option to be joined in the WhatsApp group. The meditation that I chose for this is called Bless All Beings, and it's a way to help yourself, bless yourself, while also blessing all the humanity, all sentient beings, planet Earth, and just the world entirely. And I feel that the ripple effect of this meditation will be quite palpable. So that is what I wanted to share with you today and invite you to join. There is more information on my website about this challenge. You could sign up and register. It will be streamed on a platform called Union Fit. And again, a copy of the tutorial video will be posted on my YouTube channel. And of course, if you have any questions, please comment below, reach out to me personally, and I hope to see you there. Sat Nam.